Well, I haven't recorded a video in like a week. And why is that? Because it seems like when it gets the hardest for me, it's harder for me to journal in any way or stay in my routine that I'm trying to get set, which means I need to try harder. Yeah, so let's talk about this past week. Um, After my mom left, and I don't know if it was related or not, but after my mom left to go back home, like, I kind of just tanked. Like, my anxiety got worse. Um, yeah, I was just having a hard time coping. And then I also realized that I wasn't taking the one medicine I'm still on is Wellbutrin, and I wasn't taking it very consistently, which was strange. I'm usually really good about taking that. So I've been back on that pretty consistently for the past 3 days, but this weekend got really bad, and yeah, I don't want to feel like that again. I need to keep doing this. Um, I hate the feeling of something like this like controlling me. I want to enjoy life more. I want to, yeah, I just want to enjoy life more. I want to not be stuck in bed because my anxiety makes me feel like I can't tackle anything. I mean, even something as little as sitting outside on my back patio is just too much. Like all the things that go into thinking about walking to my back patio. What is it, like 15 feet from my bed? Like, it shouldn't be that hard. And yet, all the decisions that you have to make getting up out of bed to go to the back patio seem too overwhelming to me. I think that's what a lot of people that don't have anxiety don't get. Like, at least for me, my anxiety makes me, I mean, every decision that you have to make, every decision. So, putting your feet on the floor from the bed, getting dressed, if that's, I mean, like, think about all the, not only just decisions, but like the acts themselves. All of that is like in my head, like a checklist of things. And I mean, if you broke down everything that you did like that, of course it would seem overwhelming. My goodness. Um, so I look forward to a day when I don't have that list in my head all the time. Like right now, I mean, I couldn't possibly put words to the list in my head, but I'm thinking about the fact that I really need to get some water to drink, or that, and how, I'm gonna have to get up, walk downstairs, get a cup, put ice in it. It doesn't sound that hard, and yet my brain makes it damn near impossible. And when you think of everything like that, I mean, of course you're gonna get overwhelmed. I mean, I lose my breath. That's usually what an anxiety attack is I start by feeling like there's something sitting on my chest, a boulder, an elephant, whatever, so heavy, so unbearable. A friend of mine told me yesterday that, those are the moments that I'm supposed to reach out and ask for help. Even if it's just, hey, come be with me, come sit on my couch and watch TV with me, or whatever. It's hard for me anyway to ask for help, even just something as simple as that. It's hard to seem weak. For me. I mean, in some ways I don't know. In some ways I don't mind seeming weak, but I guess in this particular way, I don't like feeding it. So yeah, it's been a rough week. I mean, things are looking up again, but I mean, this is not what I necessarily need to be journaling. I want to journal more when I'm in the thick of it. And I need to remember that. It's hard to remember that when your brain is so overloaded. And because of that, I haven't been working out consistently, but I'll be back on it today or tomorrow. Today. I need to find more and more reasons to get out of this house. I work from here. I sit here. I stay all day here unless I'm going to go visit my girls or, work out. But, I want to get out more, even if it's just to hang at someone else's house. I can't tell you how much even just sitting on someone else's couch feels better than being on mine for another hour or whatever. I'm starting to eat, because of the anxiety, my stomach gets gross. I mean, so nauseous. The thought of food is unbearable at times. And that's where I'm at. I'm in this weird catch-22. I have no appetite, but I need to eat to get an appetite. But my stomach is so nauseous, I can't. So I'm trying something. And it was funny, is after I came up with this idea, my mom suggested something similar. But I'm going to try to get simple things, for breakfast, just get a bag of bagels and some cream cheese and just eat that every morning. Or for lunch, have a sandwich and chips or, whatever, just something simple and that I can have for a couple or so days and it not bother me, just so that I am eating something consistently. So I need to go to the grocery store for some of that. But I have some basic stuff, I'm going to make some pasta for lunch with some, I'm going to have some broccoli or something on the side. But the point is something simple that's not going to overwhelm me, and then also something that's not going to make my tummy, gross. So I'm going to keep doing that. I've been doing that for a day and a half. Yay, but I think that's a good plan. What else? One foot in front of the other. Yes, I've had a setback. That's how life works. But I'm going to keep moving forward. Try to get over this frickin' anxiety. And if you have any suggestions or any tips for what you do in these types of situations, please let me know. Comment down below. Yeah, I guess that's it for me today. The goal was to just get her done, and I did. So